Oh no, it is raining. I wish I have an umbrella to protect me from this rain that is falling down onto my surfaces.
Haha, I am the Rollie Pollie Holy. I love my house, so I will help my house by searching long and far to find an umbrella for my house, so it can shield itself from the rain falling upon its surfaces.
Hello, my friend, Rollie Pollie Holy. I heard you talking about finding an umbrella to protect your home's surfaces from the water that is sprouting from above.
Hello Billy, boy man. I welcome you to the radius of my musk. And yes, I am on the hunt for an umbrella for my home to save it from the rain falling upon its surfaces.
Well, looks like you're in luck today, my dear friend man, because it appears that I have an umbrella within my mighty grasp. I would love to share it with you, so you can help your home in this time of great need. Here you go, friend man. I give this to you, not out of kindness, but out of love. MMMM.
Oh Billy, man oh, that is a piano, not an umbrella. You are so stupid. Billy friend man, we cannot be friends any longer. My house will have to suffer until the rain goes home. Oh, I am filled with sadness. Oh, I am so sad.